family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. So today I'm bringing it to you on the low. So I went and the coupons are okay today. This week I can say they're okay. You know, if you want to start you a stockpile, you can do that this week. You can do that almost any week, you know, but they're okay. You know, little deals that is going on. So went on in there to Dollar General to see what I can get in this one Dollar General store that I go to, and they had some deals. So I didn't want to pay too much out of pocket. I didn't want to go over, mainly I could say I knew with my taxes I was going to go over $10, but as far as my subtotal, I did not want to go over $10. So I just went ahead and picked up some items. So these items, it seemed like these items, $2 must be the new coupon number that we're having now. It's the $2 off of things. So, yeah, went in there and I'm going to show you what I got. So the first thing I got was this Febreze, the auto clip. This was the Midnight Storm. Yeah, Midnight Storm. I didn't smell it, but I just went ahead and got it. It is $3.35. There is a $2.30 off digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing is the Soft Soap. Soft Soap Body. They are really trying to get, pushing out this soft soap. Everybody has got coupons for them. And this one is the Blackberry Sugar. The Soft Soap is $5.50. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing is the Tums. The Tums is $3.25. There is a $1.50 off digital coupon that is attaching. This is the assorted fruit, but you always want to scan in your app and also make sure it's the store that you are shopping at, okay? You always want to make sure that. Then I got the Suave. Now, the Suave, I believe its coupon came last week, but if you've already used your coupon, I don't think there's another coupon. So the Suave is $4. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. If you want to get the Suave that is $4.50, that's fine too. So then the last thing I got was the Febreze Small Spaces. These small spaces, y'all, are really good because in small spaces, it does smell good, but they do use up real quick. They don't last as long as they used to me. I don't know what's going on, but to me, it seemed like they don't, I don't know. It just, to me, it looks like they using up more. But you always want to use these in a small spaces like your bathroom, your closet, maybe your car, use it in places like that. This is, let's see, small space, Febreze. It's $3.25. There is a $2.30 off digital coupon. Now the fall and the fall scents are out, and I think the Halloween, like pumpkin, I think all of that is out, but this store didn't have any. I don't know. I think they are with this coupon. I think you can get some with this coupon if you don't want to get this one or the Gain scented, but the store that I had, they had already sold out of those, the one I just went to. So after she scanned everything, I put my number in. My subtotal was $9.25. Yes, $9.25. Everybody's taxes is different. And then my total savings was $10.10. So let me show you my receipt. So there it is. And then there is a 5 off of 25 for Saturday if you want to use it. I wish they would bring us another, the other 5 off of 25 that we can use during the week or so many days. I love that, y'all. I love that. But I didn't even do the clearance this past weekend. If anybody did the clearance, let me know how they scored, because I know there was some nice little deals out there for some cheap paper products and things like that. So this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by. Miss Nanda's Channel.